I really fancied coming to Kamchatka just because it was so far away from everything. And all the volcanoes fascinated me as well. I believe 160 volcanoes, and I can't remember how many are active, but I just wanted to come here. And the landscape is absolutely amazing. And traveling around in the cameras is great fun. Enables you to get places that you probably couldn't otherwise get.
It's a wild and unique land of the far east of Russia. Land of volcanoes and geysers. Here you can feel that you live on hurt earth.
Amazing. Did you see that little that one over, no, that one over there? There's this yellow thing.
Yeah.
Amazing.
It's hard to reach these places, it's easy to take a picture of it. The mountains here are ready for your camera to capture them at the right time.
There's something special about mornings and evenings. Even if you're not a photographer and you get up early in the morning, you experience something different to somebody who lays in bed and gets up at 10 o'clock. Because you've missed there's a different feel to the day. The light is also different. Of course, the big thing is that the sun is low in the sky at both ends of the day, so you get more texture to the landscape, more shadows and patterns of light and shade. So that's very important. You also get colour in the sky, which disappears during the day when you just get blues and greys. So you really do need to make the effort to be up early and out late if you want to be a successful landscape photographer.
Try to use any opportunity. Even on the most overcast day, the weather can give you a chance to get a good shot.
I stayed here and I looked, I thought maybe there would be a good sunset. And first I was looking in the other direction, and then I turned and the volcano was here, and good surprises. It's got a graduated filter because the foreground was really dark and the sky was a bit lighter, so we were looking forward to see some nice sunsets. And now we can really see the volcanoes. It's really impressive. It's really nice, yes.
And I've certainly enjoyed being here. We've had a mixture of weather, some absolutely horrendous, rainy, windy, cold, but then that's the nature of the place. And I think when you come to Kamchatka, you should experience some of that, because if it was just sunny all the time, you'd get the wrong impression. So I think a mixture of weather is good. It's also challenging for the photography, so I've enjoyed that.